Yeah, it's open from 11, so it's fine.
But it's fishing.
It's it's a really nice restaurant. Like so, the view. You're there for the view, pretty much.
Yeah.
And then they have, American Swedish style food. So it's. I don't really know if we want to go somewhere just Swedish. We should not go there. Or if this is open, this is really good.
I'm fine with whatever. Now that everybody's talking about food, my stomach is now awake.
I started to think of food. Then I looked at the clock and said, oh, it's 12. So my stomach is really Swedish. So this is like a, what do you call it, like Arabian food, like kebabs and stuff. And it's here is usually so crowded, so people have been. It's been a lot of protests, like racist stuff, because they say that this is the cause why it's so messy. Because they are here, but it's just messy because it's young people, but they are racist, and they say this is because that's their fault.
They're changing my world.
Yeah, that's what they say. Yeah. So this is a little fountain for the babies to swim, because they are too small to be.
Yeah.
Okay.